What type of food is most harmful to the heart when eaten in excess? Trans fats. What causes the most liver damage worldwide? Alcohol. What habit causes the most harm to the brain and mental health over time? Chronic stress. What does BMI stand for? Body mass index. What is the most abundant element in the human body? Oxygen. What part of the body is most vulnerable to dehydration? Brain. Which vitamin is most important for mental clarity and mood balance? Vitamin B12. What condition is linked to both liver damage and insulin resistance? Fatty liver disease. What food helps reduce inflammation in the brain? Blueberries. What organ controls emotions and memory? Brain, specifically the limbic system. What percentage of the human brain is made of water? – 75%. What is a common result of prolonged sleep deprivation? Cognitive decline. Which hormone helps regulate mood, sleep, and appetite? Serotonin. What food can negatively affect gut health when overconsumed? Refined sugar. What part of the brain is responsible for decision making? Prefrontal cortex. What nutrient is most important for brain development in babies? Omega-3 fatty acids. What mineral supports healthy nerve and muscle function? Magnesium. What is considered a healthy BMI range for adults? 18.5 to 24.9. What happens when your BMI is above 30? Classified as obese. What is one of the most common early symptoms of dehydration? Headache. Which hormone helps the body respond to stress? Cortisol. What is the best type of fat for heart and brain health? Unsaturated fat. What chemical in coffee helps boost alertness? Caffeine. What activity boosts both brain function and cardiovascular health? Walking. Which organ stores glucose in the form of glycogen? Liver. What happens to your heart rate during deep sleep? Slows down. Which vitamin helps convert food into energy? Vitamin B complex. What organ processes emotions like fear and pleasure? Amygdala. What common condition is related to brain chemical imbalance? Depression. What is the best way to hydrate the body quickly? Water. How did you do? Drop your score in the comments and let us know what question stumped you the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more fun quizzes just like this one. Stay curious and stay healthy. See you in the next video.